Seriously?
This man is cutting down a tree from a highly risky position, and he's even doing the craziest things to impress the young lady watching.
Oh, shit.
Having cut it halfway through, he held the saw blade in his hand and began walking on the remaining crooked branch, with no safety equipment just to make a chop cut. Then he asked the girl if he was cool. "You're amazing." The girl tried to calm him down. "Dude, that's a bit much." He balanced step by step back to safety, relying his life on luck. While he possesses impressive skills, the activity remains extremely hazardous. I bet after this the girl will run away. What do you think?